Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Maizoon CNC face milling external lathe blade review. Mazak CNC lathe machine setups demand precision tooling that can withstand continuous cutting pressure, high-speed rotation, and demanding industrial workloads. The Maizoon CNC face milling external lathe blade holder turning boring tool strapper 1616H10 with 10 PCS RPMT 10 T3MO carbide inserts is designed specifically for machinists, CNC operators, and fabrication professionals who need reliable performance in turning, facing, and boring applications. Check the video description for the updated price link. This tool holder kit is engineered for compatibility with CNC lathe systems where accuracy and stability are critical. Whether you are working in a production workshop, a metal fabrication unit, or a small machining shop, this set provides the durability and cutting consistency required for modern machining tasks. The inclusion of carbide inserts enhances tool life and reduces downtime, making it a cost-effective solution for continuous operations. What makes this tool especially useful in a Mazak CNC lathe machine environment is its rigid strapper 1616H10 holder design, which ensures minimal vibration and maximum cutting efficiency. The RPMT 10 T3MO inserts are built to handle tough materials such as steel, alloy, and stainless steel with smooth chip removal and clean surface finishing. The Maizoon tool holder set is packed with features that make it suitable for industrial CNC machining environments. Its robust structure and precision engineering help ensure consistent output even under heavy workloads. The strapper 1616H10 tool holder is manufactured from hardened alloy steel, giving it excellent resistance to wear and deformation. This ensures stability during high-speed cutting operations on a Mazak CNC lathe machine or similar CNC systems. The included RPMT 10 T3MO carbide inserts are designed for long tool life and superior cutting performance. These inserts maintain sharpness even after extended use, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This kit supports turning, facing, and boring operations, making it a versatile addition to any CNC workshop. It reduces the need for multiple tools and improves workflow efficiency. The rigid holder design minimizes vibration and ensures smooth cutting action. This is especially important when working with high-precision components on industrial machines. When used in a Mazak CNC lathe machine environment, this Maizoon tool holder demonstrates strong and reliable performance. It is optimized for both roughing and finishing operations, making it suitable for industrial production lines as well as custom machining tasks. Operators will appreciate the smooth chip evacuation provided by the RPMT carbide inserts, which reduces heat buildup and improves surface finish quality. This directly contributes to higher productivity and reduced machine downtime. The tool holder maintains excellent rigidity even under heavy cutting loads, which is essential for maintaining dimensional accuracy. In precision machining, even minor vibrations can affect tolerance levels, but this tool minimizes such risks effectively. Compared to generic tool holders, this set provides a more stable cutting experience and improved tool life. It is particularly useful in stainless steel and alloy machining, where tool wear is typically higher. This Maizoon tool holder kit stands out because it combines affordability with industrial-grade machining performance. Many CNC operators struggle with inconsistent tooling that leads to poor surface finishes or frequent insert breakage. This kit helps eliminate those issues by offering a stable platform and reliable carbide inserts. In a professional machining environment, consistency is key. The strapper 1616H10 holder ensures that every cut remains stable and predictable, even during long production runs. This makes it an excellent choice for workshops that operate Mazak CNC lathe machine systems for continuous manufacturing. Check the link in the description to get yours today.